Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini and today we are going to see about the Diksha. So what is this Diksha? So Diksha is nothing but it is one of the page that is launched by PUC Board. So Karnataka PUC Board has been launched this particular page. So let us see what is this Diksha and how it is used and what are the things that we can see in this Diksha. So first go to Google Chrome. You need to type PUC Board Karnataka. So here you have the first link. Here you have this link. So click on this. So here you can see the entire page of Karnataka Board. So here you can see this red ink. So click on this. So here is the page. So what is this Diksha? Now I am going to tell you. So this is one of the page in PUC Karnataka PUC Board I told you all. So here you can see all the digital books of PUC department. So here you can see all the subject books and study material in this particular website. So this website also has launched an app. You can find it in Android. So I'll just show you all. So only in Google Play you can get it. iPhone users still they have not updated. Let us wait. So here let me tell you about this particular interface. So here you have the digital textbook, you have course, TV classes and overall. So here you can see the one of the panel where you get which medium you are, which class books you need, which subject book you need, and here we saw few things. So here digital books, selected digital books. Here you have all the digital books. If I select courses, still they have not yet uploaded any books, of course. Next, TV classes means it's about the videos, still they have not updated. So all is overall, all these three options. So I'll just click on digital books first. Okay, so here you can see English here. If you want to select any other language, you can select it. Here you have the group. You can create a group. You can manage the location. So all these things are new things. So first we are going to see the basic things. Then we are going to see the other things. So let me go down and here you can see. And one more thing I wanted to tell you all. Subject wise from A to Z. All the subject textbooks are here. Few have not yet added. They are going to add it very soon. But right now they have added like maximum around 70% of books has been added here. So you can see accountancy. In accountancy you can see 12th. This is second PUC. Here this is first PUC. You can see class 11. Class 11 is first PUC. Again here second PUC. Second PUC. Second PUC. Kannada books is displayed in Kannada and English books has been displayed in English. So next one is after A it is B. Under B you have biology. So biology 12th. Then first PUC biology. Question bank you have question bank of 12. Then in Kannada medium students you have both 12th standard as well as 11th standard Kannada medium. So after biology it is business. Like that you have all the subject notes both Kannada and English. Okay, last it is statics. So under statics second PUC book and the first PUC book. Okay, let us see individually how to open, how to download the doc. You have the board here. Click on board. You have Karnataka Board. Okay, then you need to select the mediums. So other medium students also you can click it. So default it is showing like English, Kannada and Hindi. So you can find all the things here related to Kannada, English, Hindi medium. Okay. Now let us select only the English and Kannada medium. After that you have the class here. I'll select class 12. I'll select only the class 12. So here I'll select the class 12. Okay. Okay. Here I have selected class 12. And in case you want subject wise, you can click on whichever the subject you want. Click on subject and here you have all the subject list. So I need computer science. I'll click on computer science, and here you can see all the computer books of 12th standard, because here I have selected 12th. So all the second PUC textbook I have and a question bank I have. I'll click on the textbook. You need to wait it. So here this panel, here you have the name, you have the class, you have share option. So you can click the copy and send it to your WhatsApp. So this is one is your page. You can see the next page here. So this one is your textbook, because I have selected the textbooks here. Computer science prescribed textbook for second PUC students. So here I have the textbook of first chapter, typical configuration of computer science ebook. This is my first chapter. That is why you have 35 pages. See here, I have 35 pages here. You have only the first chapter textbook. Okay. Next, here you saw the textbook. Here you have the full screen mode. You can read it in the full screen mode. Okay. If you want to download this particular textbook or particular PDF, click on this 3 line, click on download, confirm the download. So here you can see the downloaded file. I'll open this. See here, I have the textbook. Okay. So this is about how to download it. So next, you can rotate it also. So you can zoom in, you can change the page number, and you can move like this. Whichever page you want, you can move it like this. Okay. Here, yes, I'll exit the full screen mode. Then here you have all, you have video. So under videos, whichever the things you have, you can open it. So here you can see the video.
Today we'll be dealing with the first chapter, typical configuration of computer system.
If you need,
so first we shall recall about whatever we have studied in first PU, that is the block diagram of the computer.
need documents.
A computer is designed using 4 units. They are
chapter. So you'll get the textbook. If you want the second chapter notes, go to Boolean algebra, click on Boolean algebra, and here you can see the Boolean algebra textbook. And if you want questions, here in that particular Boolean algebra, you have 1 mark question, 2 mark question, 5 mark questions. You want this particular notes, you can download this note. I have shown you how to download it. Okay. You want any other topic, you can go there, you can select the textbook. If you want to select the or notes, you can click on the notes here. Okay. So this is about this particular website. Let us show one more subject, any other subject. I'll select 11th and 12th standard. I don't want 10th standard, so I'll unselect it. So let me show you one Kannada medium. So biology Kannada medium, I'll click on 12th standard biology textbook. So here you can see the textbook here. You can move to the next page. You have videos here. If you click on video and if you select the content, you'll get that particular content. Here they have not yet uploaded any content. So go for documents. So this particular first chapter, if you click on it, you'll get the textbook over here. So you have only the textbook here. So still they are updating. So this is how you use this Disha app. So if you want any of the subject notes, you can get it over here. See this 10th standard. Select the documents. Give them some time, they will upload it. This is how you use your textbook. So click on finance. So here you have the accountancy. So here you have the accountancy textbook. Other subject, like you have a practice questions, 1 mark questions. You just need to wait till it loads. I'll just make it full screen for you. Here you have the 1 mark questions and answers. Let me show you. Expand AP B, they have told. So answer is here. So click on answer, you'll get the answer. Go to the next question. You have the next question. Just answer it. If you want to see the answer, you can see. Here you have this. So here you can turn off, replay the questions. You have many questions over here. You can answer all the 1 mark questions. They have many questions over here. So here they'll give you the how many minutes, within how many minutes you have answered the question. Okay. If you want to exit it, you can exit it. So click on back button. So you have true or false questions. So here you have the true or false questions. If you want to read the question, see the answer. So you have many questions over here. Okay. You have fill in the blanks. They are asking for the feedback. I'll just give away the feedback. So read the questions and you can give the feedback. And here fill in the blanks. If you want to see the answer, click on answer, you'll get the answer. Answer the next questions. So like this you'll get, you have the practical oriented question. They'll be keep on asking this feedback, because since it is a new app, they want to take up the feedback so that they can improve a lot. So practical oriented questions, 5 mark questions they have asked. If you want to see the answer for this, click on this, you'll get the answer here. So you have everything there. Go to the next question. So they have only 1 question in this particular chapter. So if you want to go to the next question, next chapter, go to the next chapter, click on the textbook. So this is the textbook material. See here you have 23 pages. Here, like now, like hereafter you don't have to buy any textbook. Everything is in your phone. So I told you they have an app, and app is very easy. So here you have the Disha app. You download it. You can use it in the same way. This is just like same way. If you want me how to use it in your phone, in your Android phones, you just leave a comment. My next video will be based on that. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts in this particular website or in this particular app, you can comment me, and please hit a like, share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.